Is snoring treatment covered by insurance? Find out today on the Breathing Wellness vlog. Welcome to the Breathing Wellness vlog, a weekly video response to some of your questions about breathing, sleeping, and living a pain-free life. This week's question is snoring treatment covered by insurance? So the short answer is, it depends. Different insurance policies cover different symptoms, but here's a general answer based on what we see here at the clinic. Snoring itself is not generally a symptom the insurance companies cover treatment for. However, sleep apnea, which is often at the root cause, is something many insurance companies will cover treatment for. So here's how we typically help our patients get their insurance to cover our treatment. In order to show you have sleep apnea, we'll perform a sleep study. This is a simple at-home monitoring device you can take home and wear for one night, then bring back to our office. We will then look at the results of this sleep test along with a few other things, and our doctors will make the diagnosis. If you have sleep apnea, the diagnosis will be listed, and again, many insurance companies will then cover your treatment. If you think you or someone you love may benefit from taking a sleep study, click the link below to schedule a sleep evaluation with one of our sleep specialists. I hope you found this video useful. We'll see you next time.